Hey guys, it's Yani here.
And Fabio.
And we're back with another video. I did it.
Do it longer.
I did it.
Because
I
they
did
cannot
it.
see.
I did it. Welcome to another video. I'm looking like the gay pride parade all over the world.
Covering me. We're equal in this channel.
Comment down below who has the best hair tonight.
Oh my. We just showered, so this is my real hair.
This
Very
is my
natural.
real natural hair too.
Yours is exactly the same as usual.
Rihanna. Under my umbrella. Anyway, see you guys. As you can see by the title of this video, we are rating finally Kim Chiu's Instagram.
Who's this person?
You don't know her. We're rating this because we have gotten a lot of death threats.
Okay.
Literally death threats, and people saying that they're gonna unsubscribe to this channel if we haven't.
So
rated
we
her
must.
yet.
So you guys are in control of our channel. There we go.
They are in control of our lives. It's like subscribers control our lives for eternity.
Oh, okay.
Before we begin, you guys know the drill. I just want to say that thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. We really appreciate the love, and you guys have been there since day one. Some of you have been there since day one, and you guys are still subscribed.
Yeah,
I don't know why you guys like our faces.
That's so amazing. But honestly, each and every one of you counts for us, and
I know
it's beautiful to see even a like or a comment. So
I know.
Thank you.
If you comment down below, whatever, we always read the comments, so we will always see it. So whatever request that you have, comment it down below, and any other videos that you would like us to make, like raids, reactions, challenges,
Yeah, killing each other.
killing
that
each other.
too.
Yeah. Without further ado, let's go on to the video.
Let's see who's this kimchi is.
It's not kimchi,
What's
Kim
her name?
Chiu.
Oh,
So this is my Instagram. Oh, we should
why
do
is it always
yours?
yours?
Okay, we should do
Whatever. You just want followers and followers.
This is Fabio's Instagram.
Thank you. Wow, look at the last picture.
Oh
How
wow!
beautiful.
Who took the photo, Fabio?
Oh my goodness.
We post a lot of pictures. Fabio never posts picture of me.
Never.
Never.
Just one in my Instagram. Go
At
find
least
it.
it's honest. So
At least I'm consistent. You
I know.
Actually, there's two. Look,
Kim Chiu. Wait, what's her Instagram?
I saw it.
Oh, here.
She has no Instagram.
This
She deleted
one.
it.
It's called Chinita Princess. But why is
Chinita
it?
Princess?
It's
Wow.
hard to find because it's called Chinita Princess and it's not Kim Chiu.
Let's see who she is.
Anyway, let's see who she is. I'm not sure if this is her. Oh yeah, that's her.
5.4 million. Are you kidding me?
5.4 million. Oh, I know where she's from. She's from the Pinoy Big Brother as well. She came out from Pinoy Big Brother.
I want to go and
And
compete
she's-
in this damn
I
Pinoy
know.
Brother.
Hi, Kuya. Say Kuya, because Big Brother is Kuya in my language.
Oh, really?
So
Hi,
let's-
Kuya.
Let's say.
So-
let's say send a message to Big
Okay.
Brother.
Hi Kuya.
Hi, Kuya.
So if I'm not Pinoy, can I still participate or not? Because I don't know rules and regulations.
Hi, Kuya. I was born and raised in the Philippines. I'm pure Filipino.
But you don't have the passport.
Shut up. He doesn't know that.
They don't. He doesn't have the passport. If I don't compete, he does not compete. Does it have a pool? Otherwise, I'm
Imagine
not
if we
coming.
vlog inside the house.
Oh.
Hi, Kuya. Please invite us. Guys, send this to Kuya. Tell Kuya to invite us. Anyway, back to Kim Chiu.
She says, Kim Chiu, flower. Come see the word heart.
Heart.
Passion for work, film. Love for travel and photos, word and photos. Dreamer, star. Phil Chi.
Oh,
Filipino
Filipino
Chinese.
Chinese.
Good for you. She has a
Tags.
bunch of hashtags.
She has a YouTube channel.
She has a YouTube channel.
She loves traveling. Look at it. She has like China, Sydney, Hawaii. Why is your face so flawless tonight?
Because I
For
scrub.
real.
I
You
scrub.
have no more wrinkles.
So tonight I scrub with olive oil and coffee powder, which is my secret.
I never
And
scrub
look-
with coffee.
Look how.
I never scrub with coffee because it stains your face.
So is mine stained?
She follows a lot of people too. I bet she follows us.
Oh, really?
No.
Oh.
His face. Really? The most
anyways.
recent photo, she's in Shanghai Disneyland Park.
And she's 8.5 years old. It's beautiful. How old
We
is-
Asians, we don't age.
Well,
Shut up! Shut up! I don't age. I still look young.
Zoom in.
No, I still look
And-
young, right, guys? I don't think she's 8 years old. She's actually at least in her late 20s.
Late
I think
20s.
we're the same age. I think.
Okay, she went to Disney. I've never been to Disney. Have you?
I've never been to Disney as well. Disney sponsor.
I don't like Disney that much, so I don't.
Wow! Don't say that because they won't sponsor us anymore. I love Disney movies. No, I'm not. I'm not saying that because Fabio says it.
I have to confess, some of them I really like. Some I just. It's reality. It's
Why
true.
are we dating? I'm gonna change you. I'm gonna make you love Disney.
You can go in the garbage chute where you belong.
So she loves Disney. Well, her personality, she is very cute.
Is she a princess?
She's sweet.
Which one is she?
This one, oh my gosh, Fabio.
Well, in the other picture she
Oh.
looks 8. In this one she looks...
It's her dad's
25.
birthday. 60th birthday.
Oh.
They're Chinese. I think the dad is Chinese. Oh, that's a big family.
Wow, it looks like it.
Look at that.
It's
Lanterns.
a big family.
Hello, Shanghai. I wonder if she's
Wow.
fluent in Chinese, Mandarin, or Cantonese. She loves that red jacket. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you see my red jacket in there as well. Aww.
It's a beautiful jacket. That's
She's
true.
too cute.
Wow, that bevel that she's giving. Wow, that's a nice shot. Save it so we can recreate that. She's very nice profile. Oh wow, she's gonna spit on
Llama.
her.
Is that a llama? A cow.
Is she singing?
No, she's not. She's not singing.
Oh my god, they spit. Why are you...
Is that a llama or camel?
Oh, it's a camel.
Oh, she's so cute. Ah, look at that.
Wow, nice picture.
Ah,
She's an ice skater.
Let it go.
Oh no, she was about to fall. They caught it in the right spot.
Oh wow, she's taking a lot of nice travel photos. She should be a travel vlogger.
Wow.
You guys, we're planning to be
Sense of
travel
humor.
vloggers. We're planning to quit everything here and we're planning to travel the world. Comment down below if you can do that.
Oh my
And if you would like to
goodness.
support us by subscribing and watching our videos, let us know. She really loves that pose, eh? Like
Yeah.
a standing starfish. Patrick the starfish. She loves that
True.
pose.
That's true.
A whole castle made of ice, I think.
Wow, the powder to run that castle. My
How's
goodness.
that possible? What powder?
Power. Did I say powder?
You said powder.
The same dog that she used for the fur of her jacket.
She posted a lot of picture from China. She looks good in yellow. What is
Wow.
she eating?
Mango.
Chips.
Oh no, she's eating chips.
How's your holiday,
Oh,
guys?
wow.
She's eating chips.
She's dressed up as a chip. It's the same color.
I think I saw an interview of her one that she can eat a whole bag of shomai. Or was it shomai? Oh.
There we go.
Okay, we cannot deny that she looks good in this photo.
She looks great. I
She's
was just
serving
about to
face.
say actually that her whole Instagram looks like a very ordinary Instagram.
She's
Nothing
relatable.
special.
Yeah.
Yeah, nothing special. But this picture is like super fashionable.
I
love
like it. She's very cute and high fashion in this one. And she's giving that a little bit of a smirk, like,
Yeah, she's like,
yeah, but still fierce. Second, third.
she's like, is this it? Take it? Yes, it is.
She's wearing feather duster. she's ready to clean the,
feathered-
house in
yeah,
full
she's
glam.
ready. She's
in full
ready.
glam, yeah. Oh, I love this photo. This is cute. This is cute. Is that a Filipino designer?
Dress.
This dress reminds me of Christian
Wow.
Siriano while he was in Project Runway. He made a dress almost
Damn,
like
that's
that.
beautiful. And
Ruffle,
her face
ruffle,
is amazing.
ruffle. Oh my god, see? So this is the maid outfit and this is the feather duster.
Mm-hmm.
So she's a maid in the feather duster, but in whole full couture high fashion
Wow.
outfit. Damn. Okay, you can't deny this Instagram is not boring. This Instagram is not boring. She's serving us a lot of
But
nice
who's hiding
picture.
down here? I can see.
It's me and Fabio are in that dress, hiding, holding it up.
Wow, that's beautiful.
That's a nice pose too. She looks like the Oscars award.
Oh, she does.
Just like this. The Oscars. The trophy Oscars.
Wow.
Cute.
I loved it.
She loves her family.
What does she do?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, earring.
She's an actress, she's a host. She does everything. She's actually a pretty good actress. I feel
That's
like they
awesome.
trained her, they mold her.
Oh, for sure.
After the Pinoy Big Brother and ABS-CBN Star Magic, I think their program is a very good talent. Star Magic, if you want us.
Does she sing too?
I think so.
We should react to her singing.
Yeah. I think she has an album. She had an album, I think. Oh my god, this is the reaction of them watching the Miss Universe.
Oh.
Should we watch it?
Yes, let's see.
The winner is unable to fulfill her duties. The first runner-up.
The mom ran away.
That's her
She's like,
sister.
I can't. Oh, that face.
That was us too. If you guys haven't seen our reaction, you should watch it.
Oh my god, she was ready with the book. She was ready.
She had a banner. Oh my god. Oh, I remember
Good
the
memories.
moment, the memories. You guys should watch our reaction as well. It was
Yeah.
something else.
It was something else. Oh wow.
She's
nice
long, right?
pose.
She's long. She's giving you legs, serving you legs.
She didn't fit in the picture. Look, her foot is out. Too long.
No, it's Instagram crop. Remember, you can't post everything.
Oh,
Oh, fanny pack.
that's nice.
That's always an in thing now. Everybody's wearing that fanny pack.
nice print.
I don't like the pose that much.
I
It looks
like
like she's struggling. Look at that arm. It's
Well,
like,
because she's twisted 360 degrees.
wow.
That's why.
First
Damn.
honor in math, Fabio.
Wow.
Wow.
First of all, it's not math, it's geometry, maybe.
Math Geometry is a branch
I'm kidding.
of math.
Come on.
Am I speaking that right? Hydrated and
drinking
she's
water.
still snacking. She loves food. Oh,
Yeah.
that's chicharon. Scrolling. Oh my god, look at her. She loves
She
vacationing.
travels, yeah.
She travels a lot. That's good. Who is she dating now? Comment down below. Does she have a boyfriend?
See, she's not posting boyfriend, just like me.
No boyfriend.
Let's see this one.
See, there are the two boyfriends right here.
Wow.
I used to have a crush on this guy on the right a lot. Oh my god, she went skydiving. Should we go
Oh my
skydiving?
goodness. I always wanted to.
I'm scared though. There's one here in Canada. Oh my god.
I would not do it in Canada, I think.
Why?
There's nothing to see. Oh, a mattress. I want that mattress.
She's sponsored by a mattress company. Guys, we need a new
Guys.
mattress.
We every time we sit on this mattress, then we
Like, we
sink
sink
down.
down.
We think by the end of the video we're on the floor.
We're on the floor. So any mattress company out there watching this video,
even a very cheap
Baka
one.
naman.
Like even a very cheap one.
A very
Just
cheap
send
one.
it to us.
Yeah.
It would be better than this.
Sydney, Australia. Blue Mountains? She went to Korea. Korea is the best destination. It's the most popular destination for Filipinos.
She looks very active. She does a lot of things, obviously.
And obviously she's sponsored by this phone company, Cherry
Of course.
Mobile.
Cherry Mobile.
As everyone else. Oh wow.
Ooh, sparkle,
oh, this is her Star
sparkle.
Magic dress.
Let's see.
The ball. Bitch.
Damn, those butterflies. Holy.
Oh, she sparkles. I'm speechless.
Damn.
She's actually beautiful. Can you tell? Can you tell she's beautiful? She's actually beautiful.
Wow.
Aww.
Of course, she put music in the background.
Look at the face.
I see.
She's living.
in the hallway. She's living in the hallway.
I know. This is the drawing of the dress.
Wow.
I think we saw this, didn't we?
Wow. Yeah, I remember this.
Always
over
on the side, over the shoulder.
The small hand.
We should recreate that.
And then nails.
She's so pretty. She's so. Oh my god. Is she engaged? Wait, is she engaged?
No, it's in the middle finger.
Oh, sorry. I don't know because
You obviously don't know shit.
I don't know because I don't have one.
And you will not receive one anytime soon.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. You just can't get into it because they would never.
Moving on. Let's see her dancing this. Couldn't you press it?
Yes. Oh yeah, she can dance. Hey, puppet, puppet, puppet. This is like for ASAP performance. I love her face.
Wow. It looks like her eyes
I
double
actually
the
love her face.
size.
Eyebrows on fleek, everything on fleek.
Oh.
That's her boyfriend?
Let's see.
Wait, who's that?
Let it go, let it go. Can't
She has a YouTube channel.
anymore.
Gusto mo bang gumawa ng taong ngebe?
Let the storm. Oh my gosh, moving is over. Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god, with the dogs.
Oh, Copenhagen and Finland.
Yeah.
Oh, she's living her
That's cool.
experience.
She looks so
Is
bubbly.
that- Oh my god, Sheehan Lim. Oh my god, of course. I forgot Sheehan Lim. He's handsome too.
He
He's
looks
cute.
like it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, what a nice way to end the video. I would love to go to Copenhagen and Finland now because of them.
Wow.
I wanna.
She has a nice Instagram. It's very relatable.
It's very relatable.
It's
and
not one
cute.
of these high fashion, all modelly
like
thing.
yours.
Like mine is better than hers. I should
Like
have-
yours. Your Instagram. You're trying too hard. You're posting a lot of model pictures.
I'm not trying too hard. That's
Just post
who
a lot
I
of
am.
selfies. Anywho, her Instagram really is very. The way I would describe her Instagram is very colorful.
Yeah, it is very colorful. It has a
Like
lot
my
of things going
sweater.
on. There's a lot going on.
She travels. She do things.
And then she has fashion here and there.
Yeah.
And then she sings.
Yes.
And then she has a dog
Yes.
and all this shit.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video and comment down below what kind of videos you would like us to do next. And we will see you all next time.
Bye.